Traders, we have a NAS100 6-monthly chart. Look at this chart. Incredible how it's pushed up relentlessly. So we're reaching into all-time highs. Let's just take it down to a weekly. All right, so this has been pushing up fairly strongly with a fair bit of momentum behind it. Now, coming into the end of the week, I'm expecting this to actually turn around. All right, so it's been pushing up, but come Friday, I think we see, and let's just grab the Fibonacci, high, swing low, swing high. Yeah, that's on the daily time frame. Have a look at the 4H. Yeah, I don't mind this price swing here from this low to the high. And a pull back down into equilibrium here wouldn't be out of the question. All right, so that's what I'm expecting. Trades back down. We've got these imbalances under here. Well, this entire range here, liquidity void, I should say. So we'll just call that a what it is, a liquidity void. And BOID. Yeah, you know, I would be looking for this to turn around and potentially trade back down. You've got this bullish order block here on the 4-hour, you know, and an imbalance resting above that. So I think it turns around. Now we're trading into, what do we got? Oh yeah, NFP tonight. So watch out for volatility, and yeah, we could see some pretty big moves here. But I think definitely this pulls back, and don't underestimate, you know, how far this thing can move. Let's just have a look at some of these. You know, grab a measured move here. Well, give or take, but I mean something like that wouldn't be out of the question for sure. All right, now, you know, I wouldn't be buying at this level, but I'd be looking for a short, and the way to get involved would be on the lower time frame. Counter trend if you game. All right, it's pushing up with a vengeance. Look at it. All right, so I want to see it ranging wherever it finds its the high, and then, you know, look for a bit of a spike above, or maybe even a bit of a shakeout to start with, and then, you know, it takes out liquidity, and then we see the displacement. And I mean, there's a target right here. These lows, okay, look at this previous price swing, I think. All right, that would be a valid target. Now I'll just grab it from here. All right, so now I don't know how far this is going to trade, but at some stage it's going to range sideways, and I think that will be the time to look for a potential reversal. All right, and go for this range. All right, so wherever this occurs, whether it's here or here, you know, just depending on, you know, how far this moves. But it's going to hold at some stage, you know, and then you get that. And that would probably be an opportunity. But yeah, I mean, trading today is a little bit dicey. So, you know, I'd be watching it and just see how the US dollar shapes up. Now, if we see a strong dollar, expect this thing to drop with a vengeance. And a weak dollar, well, you know, it could wiggle around, but again, come Friday, I'm always expecting big money to turn the market around to hit liquidity in the opposite direction. So I'm thinking, yeah, Friday, I'll always be looking for a counter trend trade. So that's the take on the NAS100 today, guys. Watch for this price action and a possible short opportunity reversal when it plays out. That's it. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Definitely comment below. That would be awesome. And with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.